Hello guys, I love to tell you about getting the best quality 3D prints. I will tell you all the things with my long experience. So, this is all about 3D printing. Stay tuned and let's get started. Mainly we are using or creating 3D STL file for printing and after that we convert it into a G code. But actually we have a thought that if the printing quality is not good enough, then the 3D file may be the reason for it, but it's totally wrong. All the 3D printing quality depends on slicing software, types of printers and mostly on the filament. But if you made a bad design which is not suitable for printing, then it's a drawback of my concept. That's enough about talking. Now let's jump into the facts. First of all, we will talk about the 3D printer. Glue the bed. You must glue the heated bed surface to sticking the print. You can use this type of glue stick which is reasonable. This is the most recommended step for the printing work. All the people eliminate this step at first, but without a good base the print will not be in the best quality. Don't forget to reduce the bed heat before removing the print. After attempting 8 to 10 prints, you must remove the bed glass and wash it with the water. The glue will easily stick out with the water. Leveling the bed is necessary for the appropriate base. You need to use 2 to 4 A4 size papers to level the bed. Remove the first melted filament. You will get some extra melted filament at the starting point. So you can use a knife or thermocol cutter to remove it. This is all about the hardware section. Now jumping into the software part. The slicing software. Slicing is the main key point to run the machine according to your requirements. Here is the interface of Cura Slicer. It may be differ according to the version. Mostly of the user are preferring the Cura software. First you need to select your printer type. This software has different slicing algo for different types of printer. Selecting the wrong printer may cause inappropriate print. If you have custom made 3D printer, then you can use the custom settings and add all the dimension details. Selecting filament. Mostly of the users are using PLA or ABS material type. Profile selection. There are lots of options in this section. You may be confused to choose one, but I will tell you the right option. Try to print in draft 0.2 mm, which is the best profile for printing. If you really need a high quality print, then select a normal 0.15 mm profile because your printer is not highly capable for printing in fine or extra fine profile. If you choose fine or extra fine, then you will face a clogging problem. In this settings, Cura will set minimum space between two layers for the Z-axis and the extruder compensates the filament for minimum filament delivery and it will cause clogging in hot end. You can hear a tick-tick sound from the extruder. After that, you need to clean the hot end by removing feeding tube and that's a frustrating work. So try to print in draft or normal profile. Infill density must be at minimum 5% and if you set it at maximum 99% then your print gets more strong and bulky. Filament temperature. To choose ABS, set the printing temperature to 50 degrees and heated bed temperature will be 100 degrees. For the PLA material, set printing temperature at 220 degrees and build plate temperature will be 60 degrees. Support angle should be at minimum 20 degrees. And if you design a complicated model which has more elements in both front and back sides, Then print half of the model at first and print another half next time. After completing the print, glue it. Build plate support. The most noticeable thing is build plate support. Always prefer brim option for PLA or ABS material. If you are printing gears, medium size models, then choose the skirt option. Working with big size models or ABS filament, must choose the brim option. We have done the software process and the last thing is selecting filament material. ABS is a kind of hard type filament which needs more temperature to melt it, and PLA is a flexible one which needs less temperature. Printing the gears, strong models or multi-time usable parts, you need to choose ABS. If you are going to make some basic project parts, cabinets or big size prints, then you should choose PLA. There are so many filaments available in the online market, but all the filaments are not giving you the same quality print. I have tested many of them, and after a long experiment with those filaments, I chose some of them for my work. So you can check the description to order it. I hope it will save your precious time. 3D printing is an easy process. If you want a video about an easy way to 3D modeling and printing with minimum experience, then comment below. That's all my friend. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.